on airplane time, so 1 a.m. So Wednesday's the day that most of the restaurants are closed in town, so it's good that it's Tuesday night.
So we're lucky.
No, really, on Wednesday you can't go out. You have to cook for yourself.
I believe it.
You're living. The Station House Cafe is our best restaurant in town, just down here on the left.
Okay.
If you want something fancier, right across the street is Stellina's. Stellina's, and that's high-end, the latest organic everything, and it'll be about twice the price.
Okay.
My son took me there for Mother's Day, and he's like, well, Mom, it looks like you're going to get your drink. I said, is that all I'm getting? And he goes, yep.